There is a rich history of coal mining in this part of Pennsylvania. At Bloshock in Schuylkill County, you can see some old and new technologies blended together to produce high-quality anthracite. Come with us while we dig deeper.
We produce ultra-high-grade anthracite used in various industries, including steel making, water filtration, home heating, sugar beet processing, and coal-fired pizza. We use open pit mining to reveal the coal, dig the coal out, and bring it back to the breaker. At the breaker or processing plant is where the raw coal is fed in one end, and at the other end of the breaker, the coal comes out and the rock is separated, so that we have just coal that could be used to service those markets.
It's all palletized bagged coal that is stacked and produced using our robotic arm.
The mining process is then at the end is the reclamation, basically the replanting, the reseeding, building the mountainside to what it naturally was.
We all work together as a big team. It's never really us versus each other. If we have a problem, we go to each other, we see what we can do, and we figure it out.
We're trying to send a message that there's a real opportunity here to make a good living, to support your family.
In today's society, there's a lot of on-the-job training, so it's a great way for somebody to get into any manufacturing industry.
Manufacturing is so cool because it reaches everybody's lives. There's no way that we get from point A to point B without manufacturing.
Because you're doing something, you're making something, and you're providing something to the community that really needs it.
Manufacturing is the basis of everything. It makes the world go round.
In today's world, there's a lot of opportunities to discover new things and do new things, but manufacturing brings out the best in everyone.